Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on AliExpress. So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to open up your Cash App, and then once you've opened up your Cash App, and then you're going to get a cash card from Cash App. So get a cash card. It's a cash card is a debit card offered from Cash App. So once you have this card, you can use this card for any purchase, any online purchase. So get that. So if you go to this card tab here, and then you can simply click on it and then get a free, it's free, you can just get a free debit card from Cash App. So once you get that, you can use this card now and go to your AliExpress. So you can just open up AliExpress and then select any item that you wish to purchase. So just add any item to your card or you're going to buy. So for example here, I'll use this and hit on buy now. So I'm going to buy this, and then under payment option, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on here, add new card option. So simply select the add new card option, then hit on confirm, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just plug in the details of my card here. So I'm going to select that, okay, hit on place order. All right, so now plug in the details of your cash card. So that's your debit card from Cash App. So plug in the details of your cash card and then hit on pay now, and that's it. That's how you pay with Cash App on AliExpress. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.